Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as I said, I think so. You have seen a lot of reels regarding traveling from Assam to Numaligarh and also reaching to the Dimapur. And now I am in Kohima. The village name is Viswema. I did make a lot of reels, but not the videos. Did not upload any videos and upload long videos. So this is what. It's a couple of time where I tried to go to Jukubili, as I said, but unfortunately because due to rain we could not reach there. So still we're hoping for the best to go there. And now we just came out and walking around the mountains. So just before it was too clear, it was sunny, but now it's all fog and about rain. So we'll just saw around some places, and of course we're going to see one school. I'm not going inside, but around that, and we'll come back and walk back to home. So please enjoy the video till the end, and do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also share with your friends and family, and do comment. And please let me know if you have been in Nagaland before and what was your experience when you visited Nagaland. Please keep watching, and many more videos to come. I won't be here for a long time, and maybe another 2-3 days. So I'll be back again to Assam. So keep watching, keep enjoy, and keep smiling. स्कूल तो जाओ क्या यार रिजॉइनिंग के बोला से +5 पूरा ओके फुल्ली का स्टाफ so what do you call this one? Construction right. Construction is going on right now. Honeybee. You can see the symmetry. That is your house. That's it. Not this one, right? The other one. So I think so we came from this side. Here on the other side. Go this way. It would be very difficult. Itu jauh nak boleh? Jauh nak bisa. Dia asal tak boleh. Madam, come soon. Our madam is very slow. If madam get lost, we'll give a police complaint. She was behind us. But before we decided. But one of my tour guy, known to be my cousin, is here. He doesn't want to take me to Juku. He's very lazy. So the Juku plan almost going to be cancelled now. I'm not sure, still waiting for his respond. So I told him to take me and my sister, but he said the weather is not good right now. It's raining every day. So it will be very difficult to climb the mountain. So hope for the good. We'll wait for another 2-3 days here and we'll decide about it. And I'll let you know once I decide to go to Kohima. So we are near St. Joseph's School, where this Bagger fellow used to study. No, who is not taking me to Juku after several there water tank. Ito tayo sa Nagaland school to. So I used to come here to drop my cousin's brother and sister, I think almost 15 years back. Am I right? 15 years back, I think so. That's probably. Not much today. Next to the church. Church name is St. Joseph Church, it's a Catholic church. So next to this school you can see here. So we're just around the Pikil village in Nagaland. As I said, we're supposed to go to visit Viswema, and of course we are going to Kohima after maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Once we go to Kohima, we'll also around the Kohima market. But for now, the plan for Viswema quite complicated because of the rain that has been pouring out every day morning. So we're supposed to go by early morning, 4 o'clock. But every morning there will be rain. There's a rain, and we are not quite strong to decide to go there. So just have to wait, have to be patient for some time, and to get a chance, definitely I'm going to show around Juku Valley. In case not this time, maybe next time, hope for the good, we will definitely, or I'll definitely show you around. So we're just walking around some villages here. Hopefully I can give you more insight once we go inside the village. So please keep watching, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and do share with your friends and family. Also comment if you want to share anything from your heart. Thank you. Keep watching. So all over the cloud now, about to rain. I think so. We need to move fast. You can see the see, this is very clear, this side, and if you see this side, about to rain, clear rain. Paddy field. Phew, hoo, hoo. Look at this life. She's on life. And please do follow her. हम लोग ठंडा दिन में आ रहा है गर्म दिन से. So now we're going up. Bridge. Tired. Oh, some more. We need to go some more on the top. I'm already exhausted, but we're about to reach there. Not so long. I think so. I hear sound. Yes, we are about to reach. Well, so we are back to the road now. This is where we came from. This is just 3:30 in the evening. You can see the time, 3:30, but it looks like early morning.
I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to.